the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Oh, listen to this. My husband's singing with his earphones in. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is about the third time that I've tried to do the introduction. My husband is outside cutting grass. He's got his earbuds in and he's singing to the top of his lungs when he walks in the door trying to fix him a drink. We gotta love our hubbies. Anyway, today we are going to do a front porch refresh, and I thought that y'all would like to see this. I've only let y'all see our front porch maybe one time. That was during Christmas, and I don't think a lot of you were watching at that time. So I'm gonna kind of give you a look-see of what it looks like now. And then we're gonna do some painting. We're gonna make a wreath. We're gonna do some cleaning, but I promise the cleaning will be really fast, okay guys? So sit back, grab a cup of coffee. Grab a cup of coffee, then sit back and enjoy the video. Thank y'all so much. So I have one of these. It's a command strip, and it says it holds up to 4 pounds. So my idea is, and here's my front door, and it's pretty tall. So I am going to hang that right there, upside down. Let me show you. Upside down like this. So, and we're gonna hang the wreath outside. Now let's go outside and I'll give you a before. So I have a cute concept, okay? I already have my layered rugs and I love that. And I had a friend make my little, hey Bear, made my little flower pots. I have artificial flowers which really need cleaning. So I'm gonna clean those, clean up the pots. I may do something with the galvanized buckets, not sure. And I'm going to, she made these as well, guys. Look at these. These are like 6 foot long. And I can't decide if I want to paint the arms a gray like that. And then do the stain in the center. But, God, here's that other one. So I have one on either side. So there's that one and that one. And now I'm going to shut the door and I'm going to give you a good full. All right, so here's the front porch. It's really pretty. It just needs some sprucing up. And I thought, you know, I'm just going to bring my YouTube family along with me and we'll see what we can do. So you can see the shutters are the sealskin. The trim on this is sealskin. The front door is a gauntlet. So all of these are Sherwin-Williams colors. I love them. And I'll even go out further so you can see my columns are the sealskin as well. back by the pool, and I'll show y'all a clip of that before we leave today. But it's just clear gloss, and it just brings out the natural of the wood. So I'm gonna video myself doing the first coat on these chairs. So this is the fence by our pool. We've got a lot of cleaning to do. Let's just pan on out. All right, guys, so I know I said I was going to do a wreath, but I found this in the attic and it's so pretty. I hate not to use it. So it's just a truck that I had painted one summer. And so I think I'm just gonna use this because it's super, super cute. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a rope. Let me see if I can back up. I'm gonna take a rope, do it in half, put it over my string. Let me get closer. Do it over my string, just like this. See how I did that? And then I'm gonna hang it here over the door where I did the hook inside.